Hey guys, it's the Dozer Gardener here. Just wanted to show y'all that we got our irrigation set up. We ran some hoses, and true to form for being a Dozer Gardener, we are using a 3-inch pump over there to pump water out of the creek into our irrigation system. And we also have a whole bunch of green peas coming up, sprouting up really nice and good everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. See them? All the rows are sprouting up pretty nice. We also have some watermelons sprouting up too over here. Y'all see them down there? Got some nice watermelons. And we still got the sweet potatoes planted at the end of each row. I guess they haven't started really doing anything yet, but I will keep you updated on those. But there they all are out there. Yay, we did a thing!